Okay, so first of all, from Amel's session, yeah, from the opening session, I just realized that so one of you edited the video, so we couldn't see the game, Simon says, right? But actually that is an important part for young learners, yeah, to get engaged with other activities that do not require too much of their cognitive, even though they need to rely on their listening skill, on their ears, to be able to follow the instruction and follow the game well, right? The Simon Says game, yeah. We would like to see that actually. And then another one would be the LO, learning objective, since Amel, this is also Amel's session, when she explained about the learning goals, she only displayed two points, right? The LO itself, demonstrating pronouns through live quiz, which I think the live quiz led by Tania was good. Okay, Tan. For me, your intonation was enough. But if you could give more, you cover your part of your eyes, part of your face with a mask, so we couldn't see that full face expression, facial expression, but you could give more gestures, okay, along with how you want your students to respond to what the live quiz that you led at that time, yeah. But I personally think that asking or expecting your third graders, right? Your students were third graders, expecting them to be able to demonstrate pronouns, okay, the pronouns, yeah, this, that, these, and those in daily context through live quiz. I think it would be more challenging if you could ask them, each one of them, to find one thing or two things in their homes, and then they will lift up the thing, like for example, this hair clip, for example, yeah, they will lift up their thing, the thing that they can find in their home, and then ask other friends to demonstrate their cognitive skill, their understanding about the use of this, that, and those, and these, okay, rather than through the live quiz. Because you know what, this is actually the big difference between teaching young learners and teaching secondary students or adult learners, yeah. Young learners need to get involved holistically, comprehensively, include all the aspects, okay, cognitive, affective, social, motoric, psychomotor, all of them, okay, all the aspects. That's why giving them live quiz and giving them an assignment like live demonstration using the things that they could find in their home, and then they could also say, okay, this is a glass of coffee, and these are these and this, yeah. These are coffee sachets, for example, coffee sachets, if there are more than coffee sachets, yeah. So that would be more engaging, yeah, I think, yeah, rather than using the digital live quiz or game, which we know generations nowadays, they are very tuned in with the digital technology, digital games, something like that, right? But they don't know that their physical body also need to grow as well. And teachers for young learners, we need to put this one in mind so that our materials will not be always attached to cognitive or even technology, digital tools only, but try to involve them more holistically. Okay, yeah, including also the homework that you gave them. Okay, about and then another thing would be oh yeah, the props that you use as a teacher. I could see that Opi used many props, right? Like hat, like sunglasses, like whatever. Okay ya, earphone yang diginiin kayak kalung di sini. Those are props that you can also ask your students to demonstrate, to copy, right? Yeah. And that will be more fun for them rather than listening only, right? Yeah. Doing something else that make them move, that will be highly recommended for teaching English to young learners. And once again, guys, whenever you are teaching young learners, using simpler words so that they can understand easily, that is good, yeah. And do not display enduring understanding with many words. You don't need to do that. They don't understand, okay? Yeah, all those many words you don't need to display, okay? Just point out the important things that you want them to learn, okay? I think that's all since we have only one minute left. And I will share the recording later on to group 1. Yeah. Okay, guys, if the Zoom stops directly, you don't need to rejoin the same link, but please make sure after